Hey there, good people. Hope you are doing well. In this video, you will get to know the details of the Consistency Labs, their token, and the return on investment analysis. So, holding CLX token not just giving the chance for users to start play their play to earn blockchain game, but also price will be increasing constantly with Consistency Labs buyback mechanism. Consistency Labs serves as an intermediary between Axie Infinity and other play to earn blockchain game platform and common investors. Consistency Labs offers investors exposure to the portfolio's net asset value. The team of professionals actively manages existing investments and identifies lucrative future play to earn blockchain gaming opportunities. Consistency Labs platform enable anyone to participate in play to earn blockchain gaming explosive growth. Now, about the Consistency Labs return on investment analysis in blockchain gaming investment. The return possible on Axie Infinity and other play to earn blockchain gaming projects are startling when compared to traditional investment vehicles. While there is a naturally high risk associated with cutting edge blockchain gaming financial technology protocols, the outsized returns on investment reflect a preferential scenario for those with even a small appetite for risk. Consistency Labs offers users a comparatively mammoth and incredibly diverse ROI opportunity. Users can take advantage of the Consistency Labs platform and its CLX token two distinct ways. One hand, it helps its holder get into Axie Infinity scholarship program. The other hand, the price of token will be keep rise with the demand of new token holder who wants also get into a scholarship program. CLX token price also rise with the CLX token buying back mechanism. Investment in Axie Infinity and other play to earn blockchain gaming projects. The interaction of legacy gaming culture with distributed play to earn blockchain gaming is new challenges for retail investors. Disproportionate token allocations to private sale investors significantly amplify the liquidity risk and slippage faced by retail investors. With the buyback mechanism, they assure there will be always enough liquidity for buyer and seller to fulfill their demand orders. So that is how Consistency Labs CLX token investor will be always risk free and in peace of mind regard price appreciation. The unfettered access to the play to earn blockchain gaming industry also places the responsibility of properly vetting projects and teams on retail investors' shoulders. Often lacking experience, these investors fall prey to poorly designed investment vehicle and outright fraudulent activity at greater rates. There is currently no viable blockchain gaming fund that conducts thorough and professional research on behalf of investors, assuring investment in only the highest quality play to earn blockchain gaming projects. Additionally, no investment vehicle exists that democratizes play to earn blockchain gaming investment participations. Small investors face a lot of hurdle to be a part of blockchain gaming investment. Those lack of democratization and high prices to start investment in Axie Infinity and other play to earn blockchain games is discouraging to many retail investors. Consistency Labs democratizes the play to earn blockchain gaming investment process by offering retail investors the opportunity to participate in exposure to multiple play to earn blockchain gaming startup via a single asset. Analogous to closed end mutual fund, the tokenized approach solves the outstanding issues that plague investing in play to earn blockchain gaming projects. As a retail investor, Consistency Labs team of professionals vets each project, attesting to the integrity of the team's claim by serving as intermediaries for the investors and capitalizing on Axie Infinity and other play to earn blockchain gaming projects. That's all today. Goodbye.